Hey you guys, it's Pete Olson. Wednesday. It's the Montana Silver Stacker. Hope everyone's doing fantastic. I've got another unboxing for you guys. This particular one is all of the same coin. It's not a bunch of different coins. I got all the same coin on this one. And this one, guys, is what they call the 1 ounce SilverTowne Buffalo Silver Round. And of course, I get everything I have for compliments from MintBuilder. MintBuilder is the world's first and only silver gold Bitcoin company in network marketing history. Phenomenal comp plan, guys. And not only can you buy your silver and gold in Bitcoin if you choose, they pay you commissions in Bitcoin if you so choose. Okay. So let's get right to it. Let's talk about this SilverTowne Buffalo Silver Round. Beautiful. We sure have seen a lot of that particular image recently. And this, guys, is one of the most beloved coin designs from American history. And it didn't originate on a proof coin, but instead on the humble 5-cent circulation coin. James Earle Fraser's 1913 design for the U.S. nickel became known as what? The Buffalo nickel. We've all heard of that, okay? But it's good to be reminded, and has been replicated on countless products since. I just did a video earlier how a lot of different versions of this with different mints, right? Okay. So today, the 2017 1 ounce SilverTowne Buffalo Silver Round is what we are talking about on this particular round here. As you see, guys, the rounds, just like always, shipped in these protective tubes. Comes in 20. I got 45 rounds, 20, 40, and 45. 20, 40 in the individual ones in my left hand here. Okay. And let's get back to the, pull that out again. I don't know why I put it back in. There it is. There we go. Sorry about that. So they come in these tubes, which is great because they're always protected. 1 troy ounce of 0.999 fine silver, based upon the Buffalo nickel design. Obverse features the Fraser's Native American tribal leader. There you go. The reverse depicts Black Diamond, which was taken from the, not taken, but the picture of this particular buffalo was from the New York Zoo, okay? Produced at a private mint in the United States. And James Earle Fraser, guys, was born in Winona, Minnesota in the late 19th century and grew up following his father around the upper Midwest and the Plain States of America. And when he grew up, he didn't forget the images that formed his youth and brought a lot of that to his artwork. You know, you can imagine back in that time, right? In the late 19th century, the buffalo and the Indian were prevalent across America. Okay, so those stuck with him. Fraser's designs for the U.S. 5-cent piece in 1913 were chosen as the new face of the nation's nickel. At this point in U.S. history, all coinage was undergoing a revitalization to give each piece a modern, distinctly American look and feel. Fraser's nickel has gone down as one of the greatest designs of all time and currently features on the U.S. Mint's American Gold Buffalo 24-karat gold coin. On the obverse of these 2017 1 ounce SilverTowne Buffalo Silver Rounds, you'll find the image of the Native American tribal member. There it is right there. Captured in right profile relief, Fraser is said to have used the facial features of 3 different leaders of the early 20th century to create the image used on the Buffalo nickel. And the reverse of the SilverTowne Buffalo Silver Round includes a depiction of Black Diamond. And as I spoke about very briefly before, the bison that inspired Fraser's design was a resident of the Central Park Zoo in New York City in the early 20th century, and is featured on the reverse of these silver rounds with all original engravings aside from the face value. SilverTowne is a private minting facility and distributor in the United States. The company began a humble operation in rural Indiana at a coin shop in 1949, and today is one of the biggest private mints in the United States. Awesome, 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 awesome. So I highly recommend this coin to anyone who stacks. Great price. Rounds are fantastic because you can get them at the best prices, and incredible history with the coin, incredible history with the designer, right, James Fraser, and just iconic images that everyone can relate to. Again, getting all different types of coins, guys, it's a lot of fun, and you can't stack. I can't slam the desk anymore to stack as much as you can, guys. Protect yourselves. Protect yourselves. The U.S. stock market's at an all-time high. It can't stay there forever, right? There's definitely something coming. We don't know when or how or why, but something's coming. Be prepared, okay? Don't live in fear, but be prepared, right? If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with others if you think it could bring them value as well. Please subscribe. You can click on that little notification bell to get notified every time I have a new video. And if you like the coin, let me know what you like best about the coin in the comments below. If you have the coin, what's your favorite coin? Start a discussion below. I really appreciate it. God bless you guys. Have an awesome Wednesday. And again, if you're interested in the MintBuilder home-based business silver and gold Bitcoin opportunity, click on that link below, guys. That's where, I get all my silver and gold for free because I buy out of profits and never out of pocket. And they allow you to buy your silver and gold with Bitcoin and get paid commissions in Bitcoin. All right. God bless you. Talk to you real soon. Have a great day. Thanks.